Big roar around the stadium. It's a hotly anticipated match. Coach Wadu has masterminded a terrific run in which Pirates are without defeat in a dozen games now. AmaZulu fans are always up for it. Their last home game, they witnessed 6 wins from 7 as we get underway here. That's as many home wins, by the way, as they earned across the entire campaign last season. Pirates, though, pretty good. Still the ball doesn't make its way forwards. Showing some patience here, although the Pirates. Now with Van Rooyen. Slipping it through the legs of Leeuwen, down on the edge of the area. A little nudge from Hendrik Ekstein, who turned 35 last month. But the shot is Dion Hotto now. And then the Pirates trying to conjure something on the edge of the area. Rele Mofokeng, who seems William holding it up. Bird. Cleverly moved into space by Mbanjwa for an overlapping Rian Hanemo, who has completely overcooked that particular cross. Now they don't get it clear. No. Finds Van Rooyen, but Hanemo quickly upon him. Now Moremi's ball in. And a chance here, ricochets towards goal from Talente Mbata. It's the clearance of Philly straight into the shot.
A lot of it fortuitous there, Phillies, with the attempted clearance.
Try to deviate from the usual way of playing, and will play to their strengths. Just soak up the pressure here. Moremi, teasing Bird. Just snuck it. Mofokeng. Van Rooyen, Mofokeng combines sublimely here. Apollos clips it in. Tariq Phillies gets the clearance. Makaula. A hit from range by Mofokeng.
Tuma to get touches on the ball, but he needs to be disciplined and stay in that central position and occupy the 2 defenders. As you see, Phillies just following him.
Moremi, it's a nice ball in! And Moremi has set up Mofokeng for the lock.
The attack of Pirates. Batuma discipline, it's all about that in-swinger from Moremi. An unlikely target. See the movement there, and Batuma comes short. It's played wide. 1 touch to control, and a delightful ball played into the box there. And a sublime finish there from Mofokeng rather, and gets the lead for Orlando Pirates. It's Rele.
Darren Johnson just several rare occurrences happening recently for AmaZulu under Arthur Zwane as Darren Johnson completely misses that one. He was culpable for one of the goals against TS Galaxy, coming out a little prematurely. This time he
champions.
Going to Apollos. Now Dion Hotto. He's got space. Hotto. Oh, save from Johnson. Well, he took forever to pull the trigger there, even though it was on his left foot. Covers the angle, continued to close.
A brilliant movement there from Dion Hotto. I think the ball just never sat well for him. The first dummy there, a little bit hesitant there, beating Phillies. And then
only Sundowns have faced fewer shots on target than Pirates this season. Here's Moremi up the other end. Still Moremi. Low drive. Blocked away by Sunday Mtetwa. Now Hanemo looking down the line. Intercept from... It's down this flank where they have been effective over the last few games. Free kick for AmaZulu here.
Fadebe would like to take advantage of the open on the attack. Makaula coming across just to defend that as well as CBC.
Looking to make the most of it, put it into a decent area, but Sipochain was assured in his decision to come out. Now Batuma doing some defensive work. A little bit of a mix-up between Byrne and Phillies. Mofokeng. quickly out of his feet. And he's moved it on here to Osman Apollos.
Pass there from Mofokeng. Apollos one touch to control and try to attack the near post there. Great defending from Tetra.
It is left for Hoto. He's got it on target. Lovely from Mofokeng. Van Rooyen. And the touch from Phillies and then off the heads of Khadebe. Back with Orlando Pirates and Apollos. Now Hoto. Mofokeng is everywhere. He's on the ball again. Goes for it. Low drive. Johnson is equal.
As you mentioned, most of the goals came in second half, so a possible change in tactics in the second half could test that Orlando Pirates.
Based were AmaZulu in that match right at the end of the previous campaign.
So the big men making their way up. Allen, Zungu, Phillies, and Tetra.
They've scored 4 headed goals this season, have AmaZulu. Pirates yet to concede a headed goal. And it comes Sipocheng. Another opportunity to cross. Extend, putting it in. Sipisi successfully challenging him. Tet. So Khadebe putting it in with his left foot. Now Orlando Pirates have an opportunity on the break here. Mofokeng steering it through. It's just ever so slightly behind Moremi, and AmaZulu have promptly recovered. And the shot eventually well off the mark from Moremi. Dion Otto, excellent tackle. Here's Mofokeng. Darren Johnson, not his first mistake tonight, just Osman Apollos, Butuma for Mofokeng, Van Rooyen. Hendrik Ekstien now tries to make something happen. Still Ekstien, he's been able to hang on to the ball brilliantly here. Delivered in, but Sipisi gets it away. Bongat Sipisi. Poor pass from the usually reliable Nkosinathi Sibisi, but Dion Hoto has thrown it back for the visitors. Now played into the feet of Butuma, who shifts it nicely onto his right, but gave Keegan Allen an opportunity to recover. Pirates have won it again. Mbata. Apollos laying it off for Mofokeng. Has the strength to get away from Khadebe. Mbata. Moremi puts it across. Mofokeng over the top.
From Khadebe. Released it from Mofokeng. Hung out, lurking on the edge of the box. There wasn't an angle. Tried to steer it in the top left corner. Just leaning a little bit back.